How to verify your ID on Coinbase. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Mesnad, and today I'll take you through quick tips on how you can verify your identity on Coinbase. Now, first, before you move on, in order to verify your ID, you'll have to need these certain things. All ID documents must be verified through the Coinbase website or mobile app. Email documents will not be accepted. Changing your legal name or country of residence requires uploading a valid ID with the updated information. And then you'll have to enter the PIN code from the initial verification steps if signing in while verification is in progress. Now, the verification typically takes 10 minutes to 48 hours to complete. How you can start the process? You can access the Coinbase mobile application or your Coinbase.com account and sign in. Once you're signed in, if your account is not verified, it will take you to the verification page or the verification pop-up will automatically pop up. Then you have to go to your document verification page there and then follow the on-screen instructions. You'll have to submit in your credentials. Make sure the information on your document matches your current account details. And then for a selfie video, you'll have to follow the in-app instructions, and once you do so, an email is sent to you once your verification is complete. So this way you can verify ID on Coinbase. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.